gún tú, on tú. Did you close? Gún tú, did you close? On tú, did you stay? So gún tú. So we'll put our two hands out. And the answer to gún tú is gún me, near gún me. So let's try that. Two hands out to ask the question. And the answers are gún me, so thumbs up for I did close. Or near gún me, I did not close. Okay, so fake daddy. Gún daddy an shoppa a dó clog. So, gún daddy an shoppa a dó clog. Did daddy close the shop at 2 o'clock? Okay, so there's gún daddy an shoppa a dó clog, or near gún daddy an shoppa a dó clog. Daddy did not close the shop at 2 o'clock. Caite fragra, what's the answer? Gún daddy an shoppa a dó clog. Daddy did close the shop at 2 o'clock. Gún daddy an shoppa a dó clog. Now, gún mommy an shoppa a dó clog. Did mommy close the shop at 2 o'clock? Gún mommy an shoppa a dó clog, or near gún mommy an shoppa a dó clog? The answer is near gún mommy an shoppa a dó clog. Mommy did not close the shop at 2 o'clock. Okay, so on to. Did you stay? Agus na fragra, and the answers, there's Dawn me, I stayed, or near on me, I didn't stay. Okay, so let's put our two hands out to ask the question. On to, did you stay? Thumb up, Dawn me, near on me. So, sho I nasa, agus ta nasa salaba. On nasa salaba. Did Nasa stay in bed? Dawn Nasa salaba? Near on Nasa salaba. And the answer is Dawn Nasa salaba. Nasa stayed in bed. On Nasa sakishten. Did Nasa stay in the kitchen? Dawn Nasa sakishten, or near on Nasa sakishten? And the fragra, the answer is near on Nasa sakishten. Nasa did not stay in the kitchen. Okay, so let's revise those. So say these with me. Gún tú, did you close? Gún tú. Gún me, near gún me, I closed, I didn't close. And on to, did you stay? Dawn me, near on me.